Okay, let's cover one last thing. In the case that you don't have a SIM card or a cell service that does not work in your area, you can use Wi-Fi on your ARC3 Pro. In order to do so, make sure there's no SIM card in your device, and you can go ahead and start it normally. Hold the power on until it flashes, and then hold it, let go, and hold it again, and let the controller boot up. Once the controller is booted up, you're going to need Once the controller is booted up, go ahead and take your mobile device and then make sure that you're connected to the Wi-Fi of the ARC3 Pro. Again, if you have to use the password, make sure to add the password, which is 20070401. Once you're connected to your remote, you can see it here. To add a wireless connection, go ahead and go to the triple dots in the top right corner and click RCN mode. In here, there's a remote controller network connection. You can click there. It's going to ask you to make sure that you're connected to the controller. Click the controller. You can check to make sure that you're connected to the ARC3 Pro and go back. And once you are, click Wi-Fi connected. Now you need to add your internet connection settings. The name of my Wi-Fi I'll put in here, and my password, and click connect. You will see the ARC3 Pro connect and disconnect on the Wi-Fi of your device a couple times before it finally establishes a wireless connection. Sometimes this may take as long as 1 to 2 minutes. Once you hear the beep, you know that you're connected to your device.